Alright guys, welcome to the very first official project we'll be having in this class. The very first official project. And this project will be designing a product flyer. I already showed you what a product flyer looks like. And we'll be doing this product flyer for a laptop producing company or an accessory store that sells laptop. We just want to design a product flyer that they can post on their social media and even print out as a banner and the rest of them. So guys, like I told you, the very first step is to look for a product flyer design template on where freepik.com. Then when we get the product flyer design template, we can now edit that template and make it our final design. So I'll be going straight into how to do this. All you just need to do is follow me step by step. Remember that you have 3 projects to do on this. If you look at your outline, you see the 3 projects that you actually have to do on this. So I want you to follow through while I do this. So the first thing is going to where freepik.com, and what are we looking for? Product sale. Product sale. So we're looking for a product sale template. So it is actually going to give us so many templates. So I want you guys to know that this is the point where you can choose for it to bring up only vector designs. This one is to bring up images. This one is to bring up Photoshop designs, and to bring up icons. So we just want only vector files because we want to edit with what? Adobe Illustrator. I hope you get my point. Alright, so please take note that this site offers free templates and paid templates. In fact, any template you see with a crown like this, my brother, run from it because it is not a free template. Don't worry, you get to the point where you'll be buying templates for jobs as I usually do. So guys, as you can see, this is one template, product template. This is another template, product template. This is another product template. This is one. Let's go look for more. This is one. Yes, this is another one. So all these are products. See this one, full creamy product templates for a camera. So do not look at what they have here, the image they have there or the write-up they have there. Do not look at it at all. All you need to look at is the design itself, because you are definitely going to change the image, change everything inside. So let's just go for something simple since we are starting, so you don't complicate yourself, complicate your designs. So I think we should go for this. Let me just open this up. So when you open this up, this is the design. You see they've told you that the image is not included. So they are giving you this design, but they are not giving you the image. Don't worry, you understand when we download and open. So for you to download this image for free, click on download button here, and this dialog will come up. Download for premium or download for free. Yes, we want to do a free download. Now this site actually wants you to attribute their products you are downloading from there. It means they just want you to do what? Say, okay, we downloaded this thing from freepik.com. I'll show you how to do that shortly. So you click on download, and yes, you click on copy here. Once you click on copy and attributes here, it automatically starts downloading. Now Freepik gives you the opportunity to download 2 designs or 2 templates once you are not logged in, and it also gives you the opportunity to design 5 templates once you are logged in per day. Get my point? It gives you the opportunity to design 2 templates once you are not logged in per day, and gives you the opportunity to design 5 templates, free templates once you are logged in per day. So I have been doing some jobs since morning for some clients, so that is why I have just downloaded some and gotten to my limit. So fortunately for me, this design is one of the ones I just downloaded. So I'm just going to open it up. So if you want to download more templates, just do what? Sign up with your Facebook account, and you can download as much as you want. I hope that information is clear. So all I'm just going to do now is what? Open up the file. This is the file here. Open it up. I downloaded it earlier this morning. Open up the file. So once you open up the file, you are going to see it is going to open up with your what? WinRAR. It usually comes zipped. Now it has a lot of information in it. First of all, the license that FreePic has given to you, that's what it will come with. Now it will also give you all the fonts that they used in designing that template. It will list it out for you, so you can easily go and download those fonts and install them in your system. Then it will give you the JPEG file, which is what you are seeing here, and finally it will give you the EPS file. This EPS file is what we want. This is what concerns us. This is the editable vector file. So all you just need to do is double click on this file and it will automatically open on Adobe Illustrator. So just double click. That is all you need to do. It will automatically open on Adobe Illustrator. So this is just a pop-up telling you that some of the fonts that they used in designing this flyer is not on my system. Fonts not found. So I can either decide to go and download these fonts from Google. I already showed you how to download fonts, or I can just open the file to use the fonts I already have in my system. So I'll just click on open, and once I click on open, here you've seen the templates that we just installed. Remember they told you they would not be giving you the image. So this is exactly the template. Let's go back so we can see the template. So this is it. This is the image and this is the template here. So it is exactly the same thing. So as you can see here, this text is what? Editable. This one is editable. This one is editable, and they are all editable. So what exactly do we want to sell with this product? Like we highlighted at the beginning, it is a laptop. So all we just need to do is the company will give you the product that they want to promote, the PNG product, no other file. So we'll just install the PNG product. So all the spots, all the elements of this design is actually editable, as you can see here. So guys, we will go straight into the business of the day, turning this into a product flyer design for a laptop. So the company must have given you a laptop, but I've downloaded some laptops here. So all I just need to do is bring in my laptop so we can start our design. So for you to import a file on Adobe Illustrator, you can come to File here and you click on Place. On other softwares you see Import, but for Adobe Illustrator it is what? Place. And the shortcut for that is Shift Control P. I hope that is noted. Shift Control P. So if I do Shift Control P now, Shift Control P, it is going to open up my what? Computer for me to select the image that I want to use. So these are the two laptops that I actually want to use for this job. Okay, not this one, this one. So I will just place, and once you hit place, automatically you can now drag this. You right click and you drag. The first one will come. Now you right click and you drag. The second one would come. I hope you understand exactly what I am doing here. So like I said earlier, we are just editing this template. Now I don't like this blue background for it. I want a background that will be very, very slicky, that when someone sees it, they will be like, wow, this design looks marvelous. So for me to change the background, I just come here, click on the background image. Once you click on anywhere on the background image, you can come here and change the color. Let me try black. Wow, black. This black is not too bad, but let me try something better. Not bad, better. I think I would prefer this personally, but let's explore other colors. So you can use any color you want. Now this is where your color matching comes into play. If you are out of ideas on product flyer designs, on sales product flyer design colors, you can easily go over to Google and you search for laptop sale flyer design, and you will now see images, samples of images that will give you a perfect idea. I don't know if you get my point. So these are all images. This is one is on a white background. Okay, so it is just colors that we want to look out for. So as you can see, the major colors we have here are red and white. Red and white are for sales. Okay, we can also explore more. Okay, this is kind of green. Okay, see this color? This color is also good. Very, very good. So I think we should work with red and white, because red and white is something that comes up very, very well. So let's work with red and white. What kind of red should we work with? Okay, let's go with this. Or let me use the color picker to pick something like this. Alright guys, so let's work with this color first. So you observe that I want this image to actually be bigger than this. I want this image to be bigger than this. And you see this box here that they made, their custom box, is kind of small, and I want to increase it. So once I click on the box, you see it have also highlighted other elements. So I can just right click and ungroup. Once I ungroup, I come back, it will select only the box. So for me to increase this box, I need to press down the shift button, then right click this and drag. So you see, it have what? I've increased this box. So for me to drag the box, I need to click on it with this select button, then drag it down a little. I hope you understand exactly what I am doing here. It is very, very easy. So now I want to also drag the image, take it up a little, take this one down a little. So guys, the size of the image is perfect to me like this. So I can decide to bring it up a little or take it in a little. So this is good. Then the same thing happens here too. So this display shows the back of the laptop and the front of the laptop. You get the point? So I can say I am through with this basic job. So all I need to also edit is this. I don't need this. So you can see once I click on it, it can easily go off. I can just delete it by clicking delete on my keyboard. Then I bring in the text. I put in the text. The text can be the name of the online store. I can put in V.S.L. Okay, let me use caps lock. V.S.L. online store promo sale. You get it? So I highlight all of them. Now I increase the fonts to my desired size. Okay, V.S.L. online store giveaway. So now let me change the font. Remember I told you that the font is a very, very, very important aspect of your design. It is extremely what? Important. A font can actually deform your design or make your design come out very, very well. So I love using something simple, something very, 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 very simple. So this is the font I like to use. The color should be white. Now, if you open your own interface, you might find out that you are not seeing this color system like this. It is also possible that you find it like this. So all you need to do is look at this critically. There is a small expand panel button here. Once you click on the expand panel button, you will all now see your jobs like this. So over here you can change this, change this, change this, and change this. So this will actually give you the whole color setting that you want to see. I hope you get my point. So let me increase the font a little to 48. Yes, 48 is good for me. 48 is good for me. Alright, so V.S.L. online store promo sale. Can I add some little effect on the fonts? the opacity of the font, the stroke. Okay, yes, let me increase the stroke. Let me increase the stroke of the fonts. Yes. So you see the stroke, I've actually given it additional what? Beauty. So that is that. So what product am I selling? What is the name of the product? So if you also observe, if you click on this, it will also select all these other parts together. So all you also need to do is what? Ungroup all of these. So click on the ungroup button. They will all ungroup. This one again, ungroup. They will all ungroup. I think, yes, ungroup. Alright. So I think we're good to go. So now, what is the name of the laptop? Actually, I've forgotten the name of this laptop. So let me just use HP Pavilion X60. This is my imaginary name, so don't think about this. I'm not sure anything like this exists. So HP Pavilion X60. So what should be the text here? The text here can be get this, okay, offer for just get this laptop, laptop for just 50, let me put the naira, 50,000 naira instead of 150,000 naira. So I hope that is clear. Okay, the text is off. Okay, don't worry, I'll just duplicate it. So get this laptop for just 50,000 naira instead of 150,000 naira. Let me ungroup all of this. Alright. So I need to add a stroke to this for it to be bold, very, very bold. I need to reduce the stroke, make it 2. Alright, this one also needs a stroke, 2. Let me make this one stroke 1. Alright, we're good to go. So get this laptop for just 50,000 naira. Let me add another text instead of 150,000 naira. Instead of original price 150,000 naira. So I'll just drag this here and place this here. Okay. Alright, so I need to change this color to white, or let me use yellow, sorry. Then reduce the font to like 24. Then there is also something that I would like to do. Change the font to a font that, let me look for a better font for it. Okay, I think this font is very, 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 very okay. Original price 150,000 naira. 150,000 naira original price. So now I don't like this, they are 50% off. I don't like this, they are 50% off. This discount offer, I don't like the way this their own looks. So I want to bring in my own price tag. So we can easily go to PNG, sorry, free pick. You can easily go to free pick and you click on what? You search for special offer. I've already searched for this previously. So you can search for special offer or you can search for price tag. It will bring up vector files of price tag, different ones. Remember, I wanted to pick this one, but I saw it was actually a premium product, so I needed to buy it. So I went down, so I picked this. This one is very okay, very okay. So I actually downloaded. I already showed you how to download. So this is the file here. All you just need to do is open the file that you've downloaded, the zip file you downloaded, and once you open it, you open the vector file. So remember, the vector file is what? This EPS. So immediately you click on open, it will open your job in another tab. It will open what you just brought in into another tab. So over here we see the main job we're working on, and over here you see what we just imported. I hope you get my point. Now for me to actually pick this is just to select on all of them. This is movable. Select on all the stuffs, copy it, come over to my main job. I think I need to delete this one, delete this, and paste it here. Bring this down. So special offer. So as you see, special what? Offer. Yep, special offer, 50% off. So this 50% is not 50%. I think this is about 75% off. So all you need to do is you ungroup all of this, so you'll be able to edit the text inside. Very easy, extremely easy. So this 50%, we can edit this. Text. Edit the text here. Okay, let me just remove this instead. Ungroup. Yep. So delete. Oh no, I'm not supposed to delete all. Yes, delete. So put my what? 75%. 75%. So what font will I use for this? What font will I use? So you can go over and choose a font for this. Yes, I love this font. I think it's beautiful. Okay, let me bring that text again. 75% off. So I drag it and put it here like this. Okay, let me increase the font a little. So right now you're seeing that if I increase this font to 36, it will be too big. So all I just need to do is, like I told you the last time in the first video, you can just edit how many you want to put it here. So let me make it 26 and see what happens. Let me still go higher. 28. See what happens. Yes, 28 is perfect. So 75% off. So guys, our design is really coming out nice and great. This is just a basic design. Very basic. So what I will also want to do is to bring these elements up, drag it up, drag this one up too, drag this one up, take this one up, take this one up, and you. So let me try and group all of these together. Group, so I can move everything at once. Okay, group, so I can move everything at once. Okay, I did not move these elements. Alright guys, so this job is actually coming out very beautiful. I am super excited. The only thing I am not comfortable with is the color of this background. I definitely will use my black background because I love black background. So you are going to see the special feel we will get when we change this background to black. So what we are going to do is we'll actually save this job as a black background and save it on this red background. That's what we are going to do. So how do they order for this product? Call now to order 08169234576. You can add as many phone numbers as you want. So you can now drag this. I love it to be at the center here. Center here. You get? So I think this job is very, very good. So this is a simple project. What product? This is a simple product flyer that I can use to promote any job at all. I made it so simple so that those beginners can understand exactly what we're doing, can actually do their own design from what we have just done here. So what we now need to do is to save this job and put it out so we can send it to the client. So like I said, I want to change the color, but let me save this first. Come over to File, click on Save for Web. I explained to you the reasons why we're using Save for Web, and you come over to what? PNG32. Come over to JPEG first. Once you hit JPEG, then you can now do what? Save the file. Okay, where do we want it to go to? Put it on my desktop. Save the file. Now also remember that we have not saved this project as an Adobe Illustrator file. So we also need to save this project as an Adobe Illustrator file. Remember, we just imported a template. We did not put in the name when we started. So you come over, File, and you save this document. Saving a legacy format may cause some changes to your text and layout. Okay, don't show this again. Okay, yes, close. My phone is ringing. Yes. So our job have been saved. Our job have been saved successfully. So we can go back to check that later. So always remember to save your job. So in case you want to do any correction in future, it will be easy for you to come back to effect those changes. So now I want to change this color to black. Let's see what the black field will look like. Black. What do you think this looks like? Is this not perfect? This is very, very, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, so let us save this document as a JPEG also. Come to File, Save for Web. JPEG, hi. It's coming up. Yes. So you click on what? Save for Web 59. Alright. So let us now see our job that we have just saved. Let's see the job we've saved. Let's look at the red first. Yes, this is the red we did at first. You can see it looks very, very good. But let's look at the black we just did. The black. Wow, I love this black. I really, really, really love this black. V.S.L online store promotion. So guys, what I want you to do now is to get going on your project. This is what you are going to do on your project. So project 1 is for you to design a product flyer for a laptop. Project 2 is for you to design a product flyer for a car. Design a product flyer for a car, put in any price, just put in your details. That's project 2. And project 3 is design the product flyer. Design a product flyer for a, let's say, for a dress. or for a shirt. So these are the three products. Design a product flyer for a shirt, design a product flyer for a car, and design a product flyer for a laptop. These three projects are the things that I want you to do with the steps I have just shown you. It is very easy, as you have just seen. So guys, I am waiting for you to submit your projects. Meanwhile, I will see you in the next video.